Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes, comes through clear. Do you slide on all your nights like this?
Think I want you with me once a while, 1 week, and I want you to be my one and all, my one and only.
At first I said that I love you and you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no going back. Once I give you my heart, you better keep that shit intact. Instead of assuming no words, girl, I'm just here stating facts. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. So tell me, is you gon' ride out when the chips fall? I seen too many people leave when it get hot. I'm tired of going back and forth when we pissed off. Most of my friends done went through it and they stood tall. See, they gon' try and tell you what they think is good for you. Whole time they was plotting, man, I wish they was for you. You gotta watch your back, your front, your side, they disloyal. I gotta watch my crown, cause from birth I've been royal. And that's from the source. Yeah. Strong-minded individuals. What happen when y'all both reach the pinnacle? Things start to get physical. What make it worse, the motherfucker live with you, talking what you didn't do and what they did for you. You just praying for a miracle, cause they been with you through the good and the bad times, made it pivotal. All them feelings that you hold inside, it will hinder you, so let it go.
Ayy, look, ayy, bread it up like sandwich, damn bitch, are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my own sake. Bread it up like sandwich, damn bitch, are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my.
Look, drip on me puddling, vibe hella spiritual. My life did 180, low-key a miracle. Pull up looking spacey up in the coupe, but it feel like a spaceship. I'm floating, I'm faded. You know the vibe. It's love when I slide. Baddie on call, say she fuck with my type, but I hit decline cause I'm one of a kind. I got a queen and she give me the lotus. It feel like euphoria, feel like I'm royalty. I need the royalties, real nigga shit with the notary. I work on the form round the ticker to watch like it's for me. Yeah, I'm off that 4 roses when I'm in the mode. It feel like nobody is cold as me. If you talking that real shit, it's love like it's supposed to be.
Love like it's supposed to be, blessing the people who close to me, vibe like a rosary. See through these niggas like hosiery, feel like they hosting me, feel like he chosen me. God just been holding me, remember them teachers was scolding me. Back when the old me was young and depressed, I just wish he could sit down and speak with the older me, gets a control of me. Cold as they made me, spiritually old as a baby, I'm feeling the greatest. I know that every true soldier gon' get what he told you, don't let him decide what your fate is. Faithfully walk through the heat of the flame, when you speak in my name it'll shake shit. Truthfully I'm going ape shit, about to break the mold like a shape shift. Bread it up like sandwich, damn bitch, are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my own sake. Bread it up like sandwich, damn bitch, are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my own sake.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. Honestly guys, I'm not sure if this is another vlog. Oh god, sorry, my ring light. I'm really not sure if this is another vlog. Hopefully it is, because I have just been vlogging anyhow. I don't even understand what I'm doing. I've not started editing my first vlog since I came to ABJ, but I'm still vlogging. So hopefully this is a new vlog. If it's not, it's just the continuation of another vlog. But yeah, hi guys. There's primer on my nose. I was about to start my makeup because I'm going out soon. I'm vlogging my phone. What's today's date? Today's 23rd. Today is Monday. I'm about to head out right now. I have some plans for today. I was meant to go back to Ukraine yesterday, guys. Like, my flight was for 22nd, but I decided to shift my flight because, bro, I was just not ready. See my hair. I was just not ready. I had not packed anything. I had not done laundry. I had not like gotten any food stuff or anything. I had not made my hair. Like, I was just all over the place, to be honest. So I had to shift my flight. So I have like 2 more weeks to spend in Nigeria. I'm actually happy because lucky I didn't want to go back to Ukraine, to be honest. Like, I was enjoying Nigeria, and honestly just going back, I was even sad I was going back. So I'm glad I shifted my flights. But yeah, I'm talking to you guys now. I've just been vlogging. I know that I haven't really talked to you guys. As I was saying, today is Monday and I have a couple of things planned out. First of all, I want to go swimming. I don't know how possible. I really don't know if I'm actually even going to end up doing it, but that's the plan. I'm taking my swimwear. I'm going to my friend's house first, and then we'll probably go swimming. If we don't go swimming, we'll just chill till like evening, because I want to try out 2 restaurants. So I wanted to try out Uncle T's. It's a very new restaurant. Like, I think they just launched like the day before yesterday or so. I also want to try out Vibe by Anne's. I'm stuck between trying out Vibe by Anne's and Anne's restaurants. Apparently it's like owned by the same person, but Vibe by Anne's is like, it's just very new. They just launched it like yesterday. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to try out. I'll probably just try out Anne's restaurant, to be honest, but I don't know yet, but that's going to be this evening. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys like what I'm going to do today. Yeah, that's basically it. Any other thing, guys? I'm so tired. Like, my hair has lasted though. Please ignore any, I don't know, gel or anything you can see. My hair has lasted. I did it like a week ago. Yeah, it's going to be 1 week exactly tomorrow. Well, I did it last week Tuesday, but then it's still tight. Like, it's not even moving. My hair, it don't move, period. Why are my lips black? Am I sick? Anyway, there's so much primer on my face. I'll see you guys. Bye. Ended up going to Anne's restaurant. So I ended up going to Anne's restaurant. Apparently, it's the same person that owns Vibe by Anne's and Anne's restaurant. But yeah, we just got here. We got here like 10 to 15 minutes ago, and we've already placed our order and all of that. So we're just waiting for the food to get here. When it comes, I'll definitely show you guys. I really like this place. I think it's really nice. It's really nice. So yeah, I'll show you guys when the food comes. Hopefully it doesn't take a lot of time, because it's been like 5 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes already. But yeah, I'll show you guys when it gets here. Bye bye.
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I feel my mattress.
Hey guys, so I just got here. We actually didn't just get here. We got here like 20 minutes ago, and then we placed our order like 15 minutes ago, but then it's not here yet. I just got my drink and yeah, still waiting for the food. When it comes, I'll show you guys.
And I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. Slide in the bed like a wet flow, already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like echo, everything I do they echo. Big facts, my bank on big man, my drip too wet, that spit can. Yo bitch swap me like Q-tips, hold that shit there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb, hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick. Broad tree fur if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good skincare. No TikTok for that caca. They know that love don't live there. I can't roll dice on your plan. Red Rover, I don't hold hands. Get fortune from my foresight. Investment brought me 4 bands. Don't roll rage, I get roll head. We'll wheel all by your forehead. Them city John be like he lit. Them country girls be like go ahead. If I ain't that man, then I gotta be more than human. How you mean? Funny how the people back then who was hating on the kid always talking about how you clean. Put a little gas in the blunt and I don't pass broke ass nigga. Just please be cool. But I can't blame ya, I won't shame ya. Shit, I probably wanna be me too. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I feel my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wife.